Hey guys, it's Lisa with An Appetizing Life, and today I'm making a super simple sheet pan meal of baked chicken, zucchini, and yams. This dish is flavored with red onion, garlic, fresh thyme, Italian parsley, and a little olive oil, salt, and pepper. So I love making sheet pan meals because everything's on one pan. You've got your proteins, you have your vegetables, you have your herbs and spices, and those nights you just don't feel like cooking, this is the way to go. Okay, let's get started prepping this. I'm gonna start with the zucchini. I'm quartering 2 zucchini. Cut the onion, red onion. So I've peeled the yams, and now I'll roughly cube them. Now if you notice I'm doing rough cuts of all of these vegetables, I'm not trying to make it perfect because we want to eat and get to it, right? Chop the Italian parsley, one of my favorites. Now we're going to add a little thyme. It smells so good. Now I've already cut the chicken into cubes. And again, I'm not trying to be perfect here because we're trying to get this meal on the table as fast as we can. So now we're ready to put it all together and get it into the oven. I'm gonna add in my sweet potato, zucchini, red onion, the Italian parsley, the thyme. Mix that around a bit. Add my salt, a little pepper. I'll add the chicken in, the rest of the salt and pepper, and the olive oil. Let's mix that all together. Make sure you coat everything really well with the olive oil. So I prepared a sheet pan with parchment paper. And we're just gonna spread this out, making sure the ingredients don't crowd each other. So I'm gonna throw this in the oven at 400 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. And there it is, a simple, easy, and quick sheet pan dinner. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that bell to subscribe so you know every time there's a new video for An Appetizing Life. And head on over to the website where you can get the full recipe for this. I am super hungry, there's no fork. Oh wow. Off camera, I'll just use my hands. Bye guys.